Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you some new digitals from Crafty Kitty, and this is from Tina. You guys, I think I showed the last ones a little over a month ago now, and you guys went over and purchased from her store. She has a brand new Etsy store, and Betty, our designer, has been working with her and helping her learn how to do digitals and set up her site and all of that. So that's really great. I'm proud of Betty for doing that. All right, she says the weight of the paper is 32 pound and the cardstock is 110 pound. So the name of the kit is Purple Flowers 2022, and she's got Purple Flower Landscapes 2022. And you know me, I'll use that page too. So, ooh, these are pretty. Also, I wanted to let you know that Betty has some new digitals, and I haven't had a chance to print those yet. Betty, I'm so sorry. I ran out of ink. My ink didn't get here in time because I had printed a ton of digitals. And as soon as my new ink gets here for the color, I will definitely, it's supposed to be here today, so if it is, I will print them out and show them for you. But I'm going to leave her link below, and you guys go over and make some purchases. She is our sweet designer, and she gives of her time to us at no charge, so we really appreciate Betty. Okay, now back to Tina. Look at those. That is beautiful. I love that color. If you love purple, this is the kit for you. Now, she printed these for me and sent them to me, and she went ahead and printed on the back, and I really appreciate that. That helps a lot, because when you start to use these, all you have to do is cut this little bit of white off and you're ready to go. I don't have to put them back in and print on the back. But look at that. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's so vibrant. Love it. It is starting to pour down rain out there right now. Got a little storm coming through. Maybe it'll cool things down a little bit. Look at that. I love it's on ledger paper. Love that. Gorgeous. And then these that are on music pages are really pretty too. They're all beautiful, Tina. You did a great job. Betty is a very good teacher, isn't she? And I don't know how she has time to do everything that she does. She helps everybody out. She works for us. She works a full-time job. She does her own digitals and keeps her Etsy store going. I don't know how she does it. Don't know how, that girl. But she goes all the time, evidently. Ooh, look at these. These are pretty. Oh, I was trying to say, get another page out of that, but they're printed on a thicker paper because they're cutouts. Isn't that pretty? They're just so vibrant. The color I love. And they've got that little bit of shading around them. So when you cut these out, you don't have that white edge on there. So that's good. Very pretty. And then there's a nice background sheet. Alright, Purple Flowers Journal 2022. Again, these are a little more muted. Very pretty. Oh, wow. Very good, Tina. You're doing a great job, girl. You guys go over and support her Etsy. She has just now opened up, and I want to go over and support her, and I'd appreciate it if y'all would too. I like supporting other small businesses because, you know, I'm not a huge business myself. I've worked a lot of years to get what little I have and where I am, and I know it's hard starting off. It is very hard. It's not an easy task. But the more people that you can have help support you, the better off you are. And word of mouth does a lot. Look at that. Oh, and these are printed this way. That's great. So, you know, sometimes they don't print them. They don't have them where you can print them this way. And sometimes you need one printed this way. Like if you want to do a page and just cover, let's say you've got chipboard and you just want to cover that chipboard page. This is very good to do that with, because if you had it this way, half of that would not cover that 9 inches of chipboard. So just an idea there. I think it's a very good idea to turn them this way every so often, or at least give the option where you can if you want to. Plus, this makes wonderful tags. These are so pretty. Now I'm going to have to do a purple journal. You guys know I'm going to have to. Oh, my, I don't think I'll ever get finished. I've got so many journals I want to do. But yep, I'm going to have to do a purple journal now. This is very, very pretty. And you know, I'm not usually a big fan of purple, but I like this shade of purple. I don't know what you call that exactly, but it's a pretty shade. That's pretty. I like that dark, the tan looking background on that. It just makes these pop so pretty. Oh, more cutouts. You can never have enough cutouts. That paper feels so good too. Okay, purple flower journals, and this is the other one that's turned this way. Oh, I like those purple lines across that. That's so pretty. That would be really good for your journaling. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh me, that is just so pretty. I don't know, that paper just seems a little bit different than some of the paper that I have used. And I don't know why exactly, but it just makes those flowers pop on there. Unreal. Well, now I'm going to turn it back that way. You're playing around with me, right? That's how my husband does when I print a lot of things. He'll go by every so often and he flips them just to aggravate me. Ooh, that's pretty. And look, she printed on the back where you can do your journaling. These are, it's nice to have this size tags. Those are really good to stick in those little tiny pockets. Really, really pretty. Ooh, now I can't wait to use this one. Oh, and I love those circular, these could be circular pockets. You just glue a little bit on the side and you can still tuck some things in there. And these are printed on a cardstock, so you don't have to back them when you use them. They're ready to go. And I have tons and tons of people that always ask me, what paper weight do I print my digitals on? I print normally on 28-pound paper, but when it comes to my tags and things like that, I like to go in and print them on a heavier weight paper. Usually it's around a 32-pound or something like that, because it keeps you from having to put a backing on them, because they're thick enough that they don't bend when you try to push them in and out of pockets. Alright guys, y'all go over and show Tina some love at Crafty Kitty, and I will put her link directly below. Go over and purchase these kits. I know she's got some other kits on there. This is Purple Flowers, so go over and show her some love. I would appreciate that. And she sends these to me for free, and she prints them out herself, and that is not cheap, believe me. So if you could go over and purchase some of her digitals, that will help pay her back a lot. I would appreciate that. I've got one little piece of Happy Mail that I want to show you guys, and then we will get into a tutorial here in the next video. So this is some Happy Mail that I got, and I got it a little while ago, but I've just been leaving it there just in case I got another piece and I could show them together. And this is from Diane Hankey. I think that's how you say your last name, Diane. If not, I apologize for that. And she sent me some goodies. Look, she sent the finger protectors. These are for hot glue. They're silicone, so you can, press down with these, put them on your finger, and your finger doesn't get burned. And then some tags that she made. Very pretty. I love those. And they will go right here. As you can see, I have glued together my ephemera holder. I put glue on the front and glue on the back, and I didn't put glue on these. That way I can move them if I need to. And this one is for my finished ephemera. Let's see, what pocket do I want that to go in? I think right there. This is for finished ephemera, or I've got some little glossine bags in there too. And then I have another one that I am keeping my, oh, let me grab it. And I have glued this one as well. I have another one that I'm keeping all of my ephemera pieces in that I use on a constant basis. You know, I use my envelopes and I use the glossine bags. I use my little Tim Holtz pieces. There's my slot pockets, my stamps. I've got all of that in here, and it's chunked full, but it's still got room for some more things if I need to. So we have those for sale. That's our brand new tool that has just gone up in our store. So if you want one of those, you can go over and check it out. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this is. It's got a piece of foam and it's glued on a piece of paper. I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, keep that there. I don't know. She may have told me in her card what that is. Let's see. Finger protectors are awesome. I also made use some wax seals. No, I don't see in there where she has told me what those are. So, but that's okay. All right, this is little what is this, like waxed paper kind of stuff, and you can do your wax seals on there. I'm sure that's what she had the wax seals on, and they have of course dried and turned loose. So these are some nice flat wax seals that she has done and sent to me. See, they're nice and flat, good for your journals. So thank you so much, I appreciate that. All right guys, I think that is it for this video. I'm going to come back and do one and show you how we're going to start off on our journal that I was talking about yesterday, our AJ journal. A lot of you have ordered the AJ kit, and I appreciate that. We still have a few more in stock, not many, because a lot of you signed up for the AJ membership too, and I appreciate that. And Aaron, he's on the road right now. He and Brooklyn and Alicia and Melina and Brandon, they're all on the road headed to, oh, and Bethany. They're headed to Michigan right now. So if you're in the Michigan area, I want to say White Cloud, Michigan is where they're headed. So if you're in the Michigan area, look them up. Go to their website, and that'll be linked below. And look their events up and find out exactly where they're going to be. You might want to go by and say hi to them. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.